Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today video I'll show you how to make the CNC or GRC panel for the wall by using the curtain wall system. Okay, I'll make one. I already created one room to show the curtain wall. Okay, I will go to level one. I will wall architectural. I will choose the curtain wall. I already curtain wall. Okay, duplicate. Okay. I'll give automatically embed. Okay, perfect. Okay, I'll make the 6 meter length. Okay, perfect. I will give the height 3 meter. So the 3D view. Yeah, this is our curtain one. Okay, perfect. Now I will go to the family. I'll open the metric curtain wall panel. Yeah, this one. I'll open. I will go to the exterior view. I'll create some parameter. 300. 300. Okay, perfect. I will give H. Okay, okay, and create length parameter L. Okay, perfect. Now we can create the another parameter here, thickness. Okay, perfect. I'll go here. I'll make it 5. Apply. Okay. Now I'll go to the front view, exterior view. I'll create some extrusion like CRC panel. Okay. Now I'll make another line for centi offset, 40 offset to inside. Okay. Now I'll make some lines. Yeah, you can make your sorry. Okay, perfect. I will make another line here. Okay, I'll make another line here. I'll make okay. Now I'll trim this one. I'll mirror for this area. Perfect. I'll split here. Okay. Here also I'll make some splits. Okay, perfect. Now I will delete this line. You have to split fillet here, split here, fillet. Now perfect. Sorry. Now mirror. I will fillet here. I will fillet here. Sorry. Okay, perfect. Now, okay. There is some problem here. Need split. Now everything's. I think here also splits, joints. Okay, perfect. Now this is okay. I will go to the plan view. I will make align and lock it. If you go to 3D view, look like this. I will make any material for this one. Create new library. Sorry. Create new material. CNC. I'll do CNC. Here, make the yeah. What he wants. I will give the wooden texture. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So library wooden. I'll give. Yeah. I'll give one material. Okay. Okay. Yeah. No. Perfect. This one. This family. What is the? I'll save this one. Desktop. Desktop. CNC. Okay. Save. Lower into project. Select this one. Edit type. Spacing. Fixed distance. Give same the CNC then 600. Fixed distance 600. Okay. Now perfect. Now if you go the 3D view like this, okay. Now again you go to the system, curtain wall system. Now here you can see the CNC here. Just apply. Now it's perfect. Perfect look now. If you go to the Inkscape or some render, see this one. See, this is the procedure to the make CNC or Jally cuttings, GRC panel. You can use this type of method. Thank you. Thank you for watching.